Okay, quick update on the 53, just getting the air conditioning all in. So yeah, we got the front air conditioning condenser mounted, and then we're just working on the pulley system. We got the air conditioning pump down there with the dirty dingle bracket. It actually fits really nice. It's actually quite tight in there, so it gives us room to clearance our hoses and that. You can see the bottom of the rad. We're gonna have to redo this neck so that we can get on here properly. We made some brackets and mounted a couple electric fans in there. So yeah, next we've got the factory LS type brackets with the power steering pump and that on. So we're gonna see if we can get him fitted in here and just keep piecing stuff together. From there, we're gonna have to try and get a couple hoses down to the rack and stuff, so it'll be a little bit tight for sure. These brackets will come off after, and we'll clean them up and powder coat or paint them. So yeah, that's the update on the 53. So it's coming along, and we'll keep you posted on it as we progress. Okay, thanks.